And this is the reason why I couldn't sleep last night. No manches, está grave la cosa. Parece puto oso. Just want to show you guys.